Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Windows ME in VirtualBox. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is you'll need to download the Windows ME ISO, and you'll need to download the VirtualBox Manager setup file. You'll need to run the setup file to install VirtualBox Manager, and after that, you'll be taken to a screen that looks similar to this. So we're going to click New or Control N to create a new virtual machine, and your screen will look like this, your window. It'll be in the guided mode, so we're going to click Expert mode. And we're going to set the name of our virtual machine to Windows ME, and make sure the type is set to Microsoft Windows and the version Windows ME. And the memory size, we're going to set it to 128 megs because that's kind of decent. Let's be real, this is Windows ME. And for the hard disk, we're going to make sure it's set to create a virtual hard disk now. We're going to click Create, and for the file size, which is basically just the storage amount, we're going to set it to 4 gigs. Well, that's again the default size. And for the hard disk file type, we're going to set it to VDI, which stands for VirtualBox Disk Image. And for the storage on the physical hard disk, we're going to set it to dynamically allocated. Then we're going to click Create. And you can see it's been added to the side panel right here. And we're going to click the green Start button right here. You'll need to wait a little bit. So we're going to select a startup disk. And before you start the virtual machine, make sure you've selected the Windows ISO. And in my case, it's Windows ME. Or Windows Me, however you'd like to say it. And then we're going to click Start. So similar to the Windows 98 setup, we're going to boot from the CD-ROM. So if you'll need to hit Enter, of course, just wait a little bit. And then it'll be taken to the Windows ME or Millennium Edition setup. So we're going to hit Enter on our keyboard. We're going to configure unallocated disk space recommended by hitting Enter. Then we're going to enable large disk support. And then to continue, we're going to press Enter. And we're going to make sure our ISO is still inserted in our VM. So we're going to press the down button on our keyboard to boot from the CD-ROM. And we're going to start Windows ME setup from the CD-ROM, of course, because it hasn't copied any setup files to our virtual hard disk. And if you can see, of course, it's formatting our C drive at lightning speed. I can't even say the percentage. It's at 100% before I know it. And yeah, 100% of the drive is formatted. And we're just going to press Enter to continue, and it's running Microsoft ScanDisk. And this looks exactly like Windows 98 setup. Don't get me wrong in that. It looks exactly like it. So you can see Windows ME setup. We're going to click Next. We're going to have our directory set to C:\Windows, which is the recommended and default. We're going to click Next. It's going to say checking for installed components. We're going to have the setup option set to typical, and it's recommended for most computers. We're going to select Next. And for this setup, we're going to install the most common computer components. And for the computer name, we're going to have it set to Windows ME -VM. Hopefully it's not too long. We're going to click Enter, and there we go. We're going to set the region to United States. We're going to click Next, and we're going to set the time zone to Eastern. Then we're just going to click Next, and let's say ready to begin copying files. We're going to click Finish. So we're going to press the Restart Now button. So of course, now we're taken to a fresh looking Windows ME setup. It's not a copy and paste from Windows 98. Of course, now we're going to have to set our user information. So we're going to set our name as Mistake Edition. And for the company, we're going to set it to Failure. We're going to hit Next. Of course, you don't need to set it to that. We're going to accept the agreement. We're going to click Next. So I'm going to go put in my product key real quick. And there we go. Now we are going to be able to complete the Windows Millennium Edition setup. So we're going to click Finish. And now we're going to boot from our hard disk. And we'll be taking into the UI of the Windows ME desktop. And now we have to restart our virtual machine. So we're going to boot from the hard disk. And now we'll be taking into the login. Got to put in our username, but we'll just put in YouTube because that's a cool username. And there we go. You successfully installed Windows ME in VirtualBox. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and comment down below what you thought on this video. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.